Hi, today we're going to do lesson 5-1 in the math book. It starts on page 299. Now this lesson is talking about finding unknown numbers, missing numbers in our equations. And in order to do this, we have to really understand how we set up addition and subtraction facts. So I have made little sticky notes here just to review. When we are adding, we add two small numbers, and that gives us the big number. It's very important to remember, small plus small equals big. When we subtract, when we have our takeaway sign, we have to have the big number first, and then take away a small number, and it gives us another small number. So you'll see how that will help us in just a minute. On page 299, it says, find the missing number in this equation. Now, the first thing I do is I look at the plus sign, and I think, what is a plus? What is an addition equation set up like? It's two small numbers added together to get a big number. So, what's missing, small or big? Here I have small plus small equals big. So, I'm missing a small number. So what I'm going to want to do is start at 7 and count up to 13 and see what small number I'm missing. So I'm going to say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What small number was I missing? 5 and 1, 6. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. Small plus small gives me a big number. All right, let's turn to page 300. All right, it says, look at this problem. 12, take away something. So now I need to think take away. Big minus small equals small. So here's big minus small. I need a small number. So I'm going to start at 3, and I'm going to count up to 12. Okay, so I'm going to say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers do I have? 9. Okay, they drew the circles. They drew 12 circles and left 3 of them. How many did they cross off? Was the 9. Here they did what I just did on my fingers. They used the adding, starting at 3, counting up to 12. To get 9. All right, but again, it's very important to decide, am I supposed to get a small number or a big number? So, number 1, 14 minus something. So here I need big minus small. I need a small number. So they started with 14, they crossed off 7, and how many did they have left? 7. Here I have a plus. So I'm looking at small plus small. So I know I need something smaller than 12. So I'm going to start at 4 and count up to 12. Notice they've already drawn 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did we have to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, number 3. Now, they kind of surprise us here. Here's takeaway. Which number is missing? Big takeaway small. I'm missing the big number. So that tells me I have to add these two smaller numbers. So I'm going to start at 9 and count up until I have 8 fingers. Here's 8 fingers. So I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My big number I'm missing is 17. Number 4, I have adding. So I have small plus small. Oh, look, I know both of the small numbers, so I need the big number. 8, 9, 10, 11. My answer is 11. Oh, it's another addition. So now I'm missing the small. I have this other small and I have the big one. So now I'm going to count from 6 to 12 and see how many fingers I have up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 fingers. So 6 plus 6 is 12. See how these little sticky notes come in handy? Here's an addition again. So I have small plus small is missing. So I need a small number. So I'm going to start at 8, count up to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my small number I'm missing is 7. Number 7, I have a takeaway. So it's big minus small. I'm missing a small number. So I'm going to start at 6 and I'm going to count up to 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 8. So 14 take away 8 equals 6. Here's another takeaway. I've got to move my paper, but it doesn't want to move. Big minus small. So that means I'm looking for the small. So we're going to start at 8 and count up to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 3. So that was a small number. Number 9, write the missing number to make each equation true. 9 plus something. So I'm going to start at 9 and count up to 19 because I'm missing a small number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many fingers? 10. So 10 was my missing number. 9 plus 10 is 19. Now, to do that backwards, I don't have to do it again. I can use my fact families. Here it's takeaway, so I know I need the big number. So I'm just going to bring my sum from the addition fact and write it in my first line. So 19 take away 10 equals 9. Here we have an addition fact, so I know I need small plus small. I'm going to have to start at 10, count up to 20, and we'll see what small number's missing. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All 10 fingers again. So we're missing a 10, and again, we use our fact families for the takeaway. Big minus small, I'm missing the big number. Here's the big number. 20, take away 10. All right, let's turn to page 302, and now we have a word problem. Adam wants to visit 13 states on a road trip. He has visited 7 states so far. How many states does Adam have left to visit? Well, 13 is going to be the most, minus the 7 he's already seen. And that'll give us what's left. So we have big minus small equals small. So we're going to start our small number, count up to our big number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 6. So we have 6 more states to visit. Number 11, Chelsea makes costumes for her dance class. She needs to make 11 costumes in all, so that's the most. She has 4 costumes left to make. How many costumes did Chelsea already make? Well, 11 is our big number, so we have to think, what will give us equals big? Oh, we have to add to get to the big number. So we know she's already made 4, or no, she has 4 left, plus what she's already made will give us 11. So we're going to start, we are looking for a small number, so we're going to start at 4 and count up to 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 fingers, so our missing number is 7. She has already made 7 costumes. Number 12, find the missing number in the equation 5 plus something equals 14. Well, plus small, so we're going to start at 5, count up to our big number 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 fingers. 5 plus 9 equals 14. Then write a story that matches the problem. You can have any addition. Mrs. Williams had 5 pencils. She found 9 more. How many does she have now? Or you could say she started with 5 pencils. She now has 14. How many did she find? That way we're looking for the missing number. How many did she find? Number 13, match each number with the equation it is missing from. Here we have takeaway. Big minus small, so we're going to start the small and count up to the big. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10 is my answer. So 10 is my missing number. Here's a plus. Small plus small, we're missing a small number. So we're going to start at 6 and count up to 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our missing number is 6. Here we have another plus. Small plus small, so we're going to start at 4 and count up to 13. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 is our missing number. There we go. And now we're missing the big number. Big minus small. So that means we're going to put these two numbers together to get the big number. 2 plus 1 more, 3. So when we need to find the big number, we put the two small ones together, and that will give us the big one. All right, it is time for you to do pages 303 and 304 on your own. When you're done, turn the video back on, and we will check your answers. Okay, number 1, we start with 8. We're missing something. We have a total of 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many more do we need to draw? 6. Here we have 10 on this side. We have a total of 20. What's missing on this side? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many did we have to draw? 10. On page 304, same thing. We have 8 and 5. When we put them all together, what do we have? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our missing number is 13. Here we have 16. We know we have 9. We're missing the other small number. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many do we have to draw in there? 7. Here we are missing another small number. We know we have 9. We have to have something to get to 18. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many did we have to draw? 9. Please check your answers. Number 6, find the missing number in the equation. 18 equals 10 plus something. Small plus small, we're missing a small number, so we're going to start at 10 and count up to 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 8 is our missing number. Number 7, match each number with the equation it is missing from. So here we have takeaway. We're missing a small number. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 7 is our missing number. Here we have addition. We're missing a small number. Start at 6, count up to 14. Our answer is 8. Here we have addition. We're missing a small number. Start at 4, count up to 9. Our missing number is 5. Here we have a big number. So we start at 10. We count 10 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Our big number is 20. All right, please take a picture, send it to your teacher, and have a great afternoon.